ready to rock. The unique rocking mode plays a large part in helping to free vehicles that get stuck in difficult terrain. In many cases, the need for towing can be avoided altogether. It just takes the push of a button to activate the rocking mode. Pressing the accelerator pedal then engages the clutch, and releasing it quickly causes the clutch to rapidly disengage. This causes the vehicle to roll back, and it begins to rock until the rocking movement becomes so strong that the Arocs frees itself from its predicament and can continue on its way. To allow the rocking mode to take full effect, differential locks are supplied as standard. There is no stopping the Arocs, even in difficult terrain. The Arocs, the new force in construction.